In the opulent courts of Europe during the mid-17th century, a symphony of rivalry unfolded between two musical maestros, Johann Sebastian Bach and Georg Friedrich Handel. Born in the heart of Germany, Johann Sebastian Bach, a prodigious child, was nurtured in the rich musical traditions of Thuringia. His father, a town musician, instilled in him a deep passion for music that would shape his life. Meanwhile, Georg Friedrich Handel, a native of Halle, Germany, demonstrated an unparalleled talent for music from a tender age. His mother, however, discouraged his musical pursuits, fearing a life of poverty. Yet, fate intervened, and both Bach and Handel found their way to the vibrant city of Leipzig, each with a burning desire to leave an indelible mark on the world of music. In Leipzig, Bach, as the Thomaskantor, composed masterpieces that echoed the spiritual depth of the Baroque era, while Handel, after a brief stint, moved to Italy, where he absorbed the richness of Italian opera. Their paths diverged, yet their music continued to intertwine. Handel's Italian sojourn influenced his compositions, infusing them with a newfound vibrancy. Bach, in Leipzig, created timeless pieces like the St. Matthew Passion and the Brandenburg Concertos, each note resonating with profound emotion. The rivalry between the two composers was not one of malice, but of mutual respect and admiration. They each strove to outdo the other, pushing the boundaries of Baroque music to new heights. In 1710, Handel moved to London, where he found unprecedented success. His oratorios, such as The Messiah, captivated audiences and cemented his status as a musical genius. Bach, despite his own success in Leipzig, remained a respected figure in the German musical world. Their rivalry continued, albeit indirectly, as both composers continued to produce masterpieces that enchanted audiences across Europe. Their music, a testament to their competitive spirit, remains a cornerstone of the Baroque period. In the grand symphony of history, the rivalry between Bach and Handel served as a harmonious melody, their combined efforts shaping the very fabric of Baroque music that continues to echo through the halls of time.